what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another video featuring one of my personal favorite brands. Okay, I've actually purchased from this company before, all right? So if you've purchased from them as well, please leave your experience down in the comments section so that everybody can learn from them. But this is from LuvMeHair.com, so I'll be sure to link all of their information in the description box in case you guys are interested. But this brand is extremely popular. I see them all over Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. They're extremely popular, all right? But they sent me this unit. This is their kinky curly shoulder length 5x5 lace front wig. So you guys can see it is a glueless, and it does have those really pretty natural curls. And I mean, the hair hits me right at my shoulder. I believe it's about 16 inches. Now this does have their 5x5 inches of parting space, so it's going to go temple to temple and 5 inches back. In case you guys aren't really interested in a whole lot of lace, this is perfect for like a throw on and go type of look, all right? But what I'm going to do here is just get the hair nice and clean. You guys know how I do. I'm using my Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. I'll be sure to link everything that I am using in the description box in case you guys are interested. I'm going to go ahead and just get those curls defined and nice and clean.
Everything just fades away. What you want fade away. Everything just fades.
So even though this is their skin melt clear lace, I still feel a little bit uncomfortable because it was a tad bit too light for my complexion. So what I'm going to do here is permanently tint the lace by taking my Rit dye in the color chocolate in some boiling water. And once I mix that in, what I'm going to do is kind of like tea bag the wig, just the lace area. I'm just going in and taking it out and checking it and going back in and just checking it. And once I get it to the color that I feel comfortable with, I just kind of let it sit for 5 minutes and then apply it to my skin to see if it's the complexion that I want it to be. And it was a perfect match for me, so I'm really happy that I tinted the lace. Now what I'm going to do is go in and do some light customizing to this unit. If you're not interested in customizing your own, I would suggest that you rewind it back to where I did a try on with the wig so that you guys can see just how the unit looks out of the box. But if you are interested in customizing your unit, what I'm doing to mine is some light tweezing just so that that hairline looks a bit more natural like my own. I just like to go in with a flat edge tweezer and go in and just tweeze a bit of the hairline away, and you guys can see this side compared to the other side. Again, it really doesn't need it if you feel like it doesn't need it. However, you know me, I like to go in and make things look a bit more natural.
The sun in my hair, blue in your eyes. I could lay here all my life. Time moves slowly, green goes from my high. I can't get enough.
Now let's get into these curls. Now this hair naturally has a really pretty kinky curl, but because we wash the hair, we're going to want to redefine the curls. So I really recommend this detangling brush. I will link it down below for you guys. I do have this pattern cream gel. Now I know some of you guys are going to feel like, hey, you know, why are you using that on a wig? This was a free sample. Y'all, I get lots of free samples from PRs and stuff like that. So I actually have the luxury of using different products on wigs. However, use what you have. I really love using Aussie Moist Conditioner on the hair. That does the same thing, but you really want the hair to be nice and wet, and just go through the hair with the brush sideways to define those curls.
Haven't felt like this in a
For laying the wig, I like to take my Cream of Nature foaming wrap mousse and apply that to the edges as well as the top of the hair so that it lays pretty flat. And I'm just going to go in and clean up that parting space because, you know, this wig has a long part. But because I am putting some baby hairs on this unit just at the edge where that 5x5 ends. It's just going to kind of cover up that little piece of lace that you get at the very end. If you guys had a 5x5 before, you know what I'm talking about. So adding a little swoop really helps with concealing that extra bit of lace.
all of this for you. I keep it on lock for you. I'ma keep a spot for you. All my exes locked for you. Got plans, I'ma drop for you. There's no need to choose. Nothing I wouldn't do. Say I'ma keep it.
So it's been like a day or two, and this is how the hair looks once it is fully dried. You guys can see how well those curls are defined. So yeah, I do recommend the pattern hair gel. But now I'm just going to go ahead and get that lace cut off and get the wig on.
So I will keep alert for you, all of this for you, all of this for you.
Y'all, when I got this wig on, I was planning on adhering it down and, doing a proper install. But the wig blended in so effortlessly that I didn't even have to adhere it down. I mean, this is a throw on and go wig. But if you want to get that lace to blend in even further, I would suggest going in with a bit of some foundation as well as some foundation powder. It just really helps with blending the unit in effortlessly into your complexion. Again, this is their skin melt, so if you adhere it down, it will melt right in. Now I am going to take some of my Care wax stick to further lay the top of the wig, as well as using some of this gel that I got from Shea Moisture, just to play around with the edges and the baby hairs so that it's looking more tamed and neat. And once that's done, I like to take a wide tooth comb and further go in and manipulate the hair so that we can kind of loosen up those curls, as well as using some of my Shea Moisture and Shine mist to hold those curls in place. And this is what we're working with. The density of this unit is, I believe, 150%. It is 16 inches long, and that is their 5 by 5 inches of parting space. To me, I think that it is perfect, and you're not going to spend a whole lot of money. So yeah, but here are the angles of the hair. This is where it falls on me. It is a shoulder length wig, however it falls a bit longer on me. This hair is incredibly soft. I mean, that parting space is just enough, and again, you guys can part within that area. So if you want to do like a slight side part, you can do that. And y'all, like I said, I didn't adhere it down, and it's giving blended, okay? Y'all, again, this comes from LuvMe.com. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you purchased from them before. I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys.